All right, people. My name is Olumuyiwa, so to say. So okay. Enough of the of the introduction. Today's the review. We are reviewing the trade we took yesterday. Yeah, sorry. We are reviewing the trade we took yesterday. Yeah, it's obviously it hit TP. Yeah, the two trades hit TP, and I'm just going to review the trade today and let's check it together. Well, lest I forget, Trade Wars Africa will be hosting monthly bootcamp. I will teach you about Trade Wars Africa later. They'll be hosting a monthly bootcamp that will be starting August. August is going to be our first edition of Trade Wars Africa monthly bootcamp. So the idea is just to show you guys, people that are interested in learning about the chart, synthetic indices, forex, markets, anything has to do with charts. Yeah, synthetic indices and forex, so to say. So at least so that I can know the basics and can scale up from there. And our channel is also open. Our Telegram channel, we usually post our signals on our channel. Yeah, at least we'll be consistently posting signals every day. Yes, but I'm a swinger, so I may not be able to be posting everyday trade. You get, but I will sure be posting, even if it's going to be a market overview analysis, not necessarily signal. You get, so we're active, and the community is just growing. So how you guys will join? So the reason I'm saying this is because as a beginner, I highly recommend you have a roadmap. Yeah, something you're following. You have a mentor that is guiding you, not like a roadmap though. You get, because I've gone through the route of self-learning. God, it's not easy, sincerely speaking. It's not something you want to try. It's draining, it's frustrating, it's exhausting, it's time wasting, all of those all in one. And coupled with the fact that you don't have capital, guys, forget it. You get, I won't lie to you. I've gone through that route. I know how these things work. You get me? So you see, about the whole story, that will be later things, you get it. So but now just focus and join the channel, take trades with us. Minimum lot size, not key. Minimum lot size. What I do is, you're just trying to gather up funds to secure probably mentorship for yourself. So you don't need so much. So you don't have to be greedy at this very early stage. You get it? So just join us, and I trust me, you enjoy it. You will enjoy it. So the monthly bootcamp will be starting August. First edition will be starting August 1st, 2nd, 3rd. The time, the place will be communicated later to us. Okay, that's that about that. Let's get to the business of the day. Let's go. Alright, people. Good day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. So good news, we played a couple of trades yesterday, and today let's just review. So I posted the signal on the Telegram signal group, and yeah, so a lot has been going on in there. Let me even check this one. Let's see. Okay, let's just go to the business of the day. So yesterday, being the 29th of June, there was around afternoon evening period, we took a trade, and here's the results. So here's the first trade we took. So apparently we had to wait. This was my initial analysis that the market will come here and bounce. So but as we are looking at this zone, this particular zone here, so normally with the strategies that I use, if I'm patient enough, I don't think I will be having much of a losing trade, in the sense that the markets go to this point. If the market was going to obey these points, then I should have a rejection candle around the zone. So when the market did not give me a rejection candle around the zone, okay, I was now thinking, let me wait till the market gets to this point. When the market gets to the point, whatever the market does around here will determine if you are taking the trade or not. So market got here and gave me this very beautiful rejection candle, but I think I was quite busy, so I didn't notice where the market gave me this, because I would have entered this trade like this. Obviously it should have been a 1:8, 1:8 kind of trade, but I did not, so I had to wait. So when I checked it, the market was literally around here, and I entered immediately because it was on a lower time frame, just 15 minutes, not much. I was able to secure 1:3. You get. So that was how this market came to be. And I woke up this morning, did just 709, and CP smashed. So let me go to the second one we did, which is volatility 51s. Yeah, so the same. When we analyze this market, the screenshot is on the screen yesterday. So when I analyzed the market, the market was around here. It was still playing around here. The market pushed up. Okay, it was here. So I wanted the market to get to this point. I wanted the market to get to that point, then push back, but the market somehow came to respect this zone again. I said, okay, let's be watching. All I'm saying is, or what the analysis was, is the market must come below this level, must come below this trend line, otherwise no trade. The market broke. I said, okay, fine, fantastic. I was actually looking to take this trade around here, but since the market has gotten here and pushed back, the buyers changed. You get. So market broke here, and obviously this is the neckline around here, and it just tapped into it, gave me this beautiful injection candle, and I had my second trade here. Why I had my second trade here is because of this. My first trade was around here, the break of this candle. You get. After this candle. So the reason why I had it was because, although it's an aggressive trade, I would say, because I didn't allow the market to break below, find that I only enter it. I only enter the second entry after the break of the trend line. I actually entered that because of this. The market broke this trend line and retested the neckline, and still came down and gave me a head and shoulder around here, around this point, broke it, and we're in the trade already. Okay, so this is the review of the market we analyzed yesterday. This is the review. So what happened is, maybe during the day when I'm fully awake, I will look for some other trade, analyze it, then I can, post it again so we can look at it together. In case you're interested in joining our Telegram group or our Signal group, it's totally free. As you know, I trade synthetic indices. It is totally free. So the link is going to be in the description. So if you're interested in joining, if you're interested in trading with me, just feel free to join the channel. Feel free to join the Telegram channel. I'm looking forward to meet you guys. Looking forward to for us to trade together and at least make some cool money together. All right, guys, peace out.